Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to get a clean and neat hair remover in Photoshop. I'll be using this photo here. So first thing, you have to upload your photo to Photoshop. After doing that, you head over to select over here. Then you click on select and max. Then this window will open. You make sure the color is set to red. Opacity is set to 100, yeah. Then you click on select subject. You wait for it to load. If you look closely, you will notice that we have some backgrounds in the hair. So for us to be able to remove this background, we have to use the refine edge brush tool over here. Then click all through these edges. You click, uh, you click on every spot where you see the white background. You click. Yeah, you make sure you click on every spot where you see the white background on this photo. Yeah, after doing that, you click on refine hair. You can see that the white background is off already, but we are not done yet. You have to go to your output and click on the contaminate color so that you can get the full hair the way it was. You can see that our hair is back the way it was. After doing this, you have to click on OK, and here is our results. You can use any color of your choice to test this.